video I'm going to show you how to remove the front wheel on my XSR900. And the problem I quickly realized was this is the type of front wheel stand I have. I use it on my R1 and have no problems with it. But the problem with the XSR900, the wheel sensor speed for the, to show your speed, it's in the way. So if I try to use this, it's gonna hit it. So basically you're gonna have to remove it, but there's a hub right here where it bolts onto, and this hits it too. But basically I realized if I just offset the stand a little bit so it sits more to the left, it should be fine. So I'll show you what I mean. First I'm going to remove the speed sensor. So this is a 5mm bolt. It removes the cover. And then you have to switch to a 4mm. And I hear you don't want to get anything magnetic close to this. Okay? And at this point, I can use the front wheel stand. Okay, I'm lining up the wheel. And this is what I mean. So basically I have the stand more to the left, so where the forks rest on the stand, it's not applying any pressure on the hub for the speed sensor. And this, it's kind of close. Basically this, like I said, it's more to the left, the stand. But the stand is not touching the disc or the wheel in any way. It can spin freely. So basically, the forks are just resting on the stand as it should be, and not on any other part. It's just the forks. Okay. So now I'm removing the clips that hold the brake lines in place. And I'm going to remove the brake caliper bolts. The top one has the reflector, so make sure you hold that when you're unscrewing it. Okay, and the bottom one has a bracket that holds the speed sensor wire in place. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and remove the brake caliper. Okay, on this side I'm also going to remove the clips that hold the brake lines in place. I'm going to unscrew the bolts for the brake caliper. The bottom one is just going to be the bolt unscrewed. And the top one also has a reflector. Okay. And then pull it back. I'm going to come back to the other side and remove this pinch bolt. It's a 6mm. gotta remove the axle. This is gonna be a 14mm socket. Hold up the wheel. So I'm holding up the wheel and removing the axle. Click the hub right here. The speed sensor is coming off. And there's a wheel spacer on the other side. And then it comes out. So I got the wheel removed. It's right here. And you can see I put about 9,000 miles on this, and still has more life to it, but the profile is kind of weird. It doesn't feel that good riding, going fast, so I'm going to change it out. But yeah, that's how I remove the wheel, using this type of front wheel stand for the forks. And yeah, thanks for watching. Hope it helps.